Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 24th of November 2021. Taking a look at Ethereum here on the weekly chart. You know, Ethereum's got this pullback that's occurring after this this 49 to 52 day GAN death cycle that occurred a couple weeks ago. So we're expecting this pullback to happen, especially with these gaps that existed between the bodies of the candlesticks and the Tenkan Sen. As far as how low Ethereum could go, you know, there's near-term support here at at 3,800, which is the weekly Tenkan Sen, and then you have the weekly Kijun Sen at 3,300 as support, and then below that you have 2,800 at Senko Span A, which is the top of the cloud, and then the final level of major support and resistance you get at 2,300, which is Senko Span B. Now, am I suggesting that that is going to be the move it goes down to? No, but I will say that you know, it is a level that should be observed. And gosh, it's hard to believe that at one point Ethereum was trading below $100 like March of 2020. But when you look at the chart here, and we go to like a monthly chart, and let me get rid of everything else here. If we want to go from the all-time high, all right, and draw it to the strong bar of the move of the swing, and I don't know if we want to use, probably ignore March 20th move. The strong bar would be something you have to measure as a measure of proportion, and do a price range bar from this low to the I'll get the magnet on there, but from this low to that high, and then from that low to that high. So the strong bar is actually all the way over there. That's interesting. Is it though? That's the question, because no, that's gotta be it. So yeah, that's the strong bar then. Strong bar meaning it's the bar that has the most range traded. But for cryptocurrencies, you don't look at the amount, you look at the percent. That's what's most important. So when we do a Fibonacci retracement, and we need the 618, the 50%, and the 382. Go back to the weekly chart, bring up the Ichimoku chart. Yeah, so the 382% retracement on that strong bar is at right on the Kijun Sen, and then the 50% retracement is above where Senko Span A is at. And if we know that things like to retrace at least 50% of their move, then it would make sense to see it come down to that $2,900 value area. But if this is going to be a swing south, then what we should be looking for is around a fib expansion. The 100% extension would bring it all the way down to 2,200, which is just above 2,300, which is Senko Span B. So, yeah, I mean, there's on the high end, you know, definitely the $5,000 target is there, and then that goes up to 5,800, I believe, is the next one. But a retracement over the holidays here, not uncommon, and should be expected in some respects. So, yeah, we'll have to see what happens. And I mean, if it's going to be like 2017, you know, we might have a little bit of a pause throughout the rest of the month of November, and then December see it go into like, you know, rocket ship to Mars mode. But those are the levels I'm looking at for support here going into the rest of the week for Ethereum and past the Thanksgiving weekend. And we'll revisit it next week. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.